Power. We are surrounded by it. From our bedrooms to our habits, to our bare essentials, and even our beliefs. Power is at the heart of life as we know it. At Sterlite Power, we believe access to electricity empowers communities. And that's why we strive day and night to make it a reality for the people.
Sterlite Power Transmission takes on some of the toughest challenges of delivering energy to people who don't have access to power, and that really gets noticed. I can't tell you how proud I feel when external stakeholders who I go out and meet outside this room take notice of the good work that Sterlite Power Transmission is undertaking and talk about it.
Sterlite is not a typical power solution provider company. We are world leaders in power sector. We follow the best practices, we follow the world-class technologies, and what we work is for social impact.
A Sterlitean follows 4 core values: social impact, innovation, respect and fun. You can tangibly feel all these values being implemented every single day at Sterlite.
We are able to light up homes, we are able to create lasting social impacts by sheer value of the kind of work that we do. And this is a beautiful organization, a beautiful setup, a beautiful group where all of us get enough avenues and options and ways to put our heart and soul into all that we like and love.
And what a Sterlitean loves is growth in the face of challenges and opportunities.
I started off my career at Sterlite 2.5 years back, and now I am planner at Haridwar at just 24. Within all this time, I have seen many optimistic changes within myself. The sort of trust management has shown in me has given me many fruitful results. My growth trajectory was very challenging yet really exciting.
So what's peculiar about Sterlite is if you've got a good idea, you support it through and through. So our team came up with this digital solution which could improve our project's time association and the cost associated with it, along with improving its accuracy. Though there were obvious risks involved, but the management supported it and we finally developed it in-house, and it has become a common practice to use this tool day to day.
Some of us would even believe that our job is an adventure.
इस काम में बहुत जोखिम है, हर कोई कर नहीं पाता है, पर इस काम करने में हम लोगों को मजा आता है.
I feel very proud of the fact that the work I'm doing right now is going to help empower schools, colleges, hospitals to service the nation continuously tomorrow, even after I'm gone. Excuse me, I got to go power my nation.
This is the Sterlite Power family, the source of its power. We empower humanity by addressing the toughest challenges of energy delivery.